Hey, it's Brian from RX Safety, and I'm here to review the Churada sunglasses from 7eye. The Churada are outstanding prescription motorcycle sunglasses and have all the features to make you feel safe and comfortable on the road. The Churada are great for small and medium faces and feature 7eye's patented AirShield wind-blocking foam Eyecup. This technology creates a complete seal around your eyes, giving you total protection from the elements, including wind, dust, and other airborne irritants. In addition, the patented filtering vents manage air circulation, reduce fogging, and keep your vision free from any distortion that may be caused by lens fogging. This closed-cell foam material is unaffected by weather and resistant to perspiration and grime, allowing the Churada to be longer lasting and more comfortable. For the lenses, the Churada are shatter resistant and offer 100% UVA and UVB protection and distortion-free clarity. And of course, they are prescription available. The Churada are available in glossy black and sunset tortoise and meet the ANSI Z87 Plus safety standard for optimal protection. So if you're in need of a brand new pair of prescription motorcycle sunglasses, be sure to check out the 7eye Churada at rxsafety.com.